pulley questions in which many problems are created. Okay, so this is the basic part of the pulley. Basically, pulley are of two types. Okay, the one is fixed and the other is movable. See, here is fixed pulley and here is the movable pulley. So the problem arises in this: how to solve such questions. Okay. Revising this, you can consider that there are two masses M1 and M2, and the tension in the strings will be T, and here will be also T in upward direction. Okay, so drawing the FBT of this mass and this mass, you will get this equation. So this is the basic, and you all know this. Okay, so now come to this part. Here, the tension in this string will be T, and the tension in this string will be T. So T and T becomes here 2T, and when it becomes here 2T, then this also will have tension 2T. Okay, and now suppose this mass is M1 and this mass is M2 and this mass is M3, and now here what the thing is, suppose this mass M1 is moving downward with acceleration A. So this mass will also accelerate with A acceleration in upward direction. Acceleration will be same, but just will be in opposite direction. Here, suppose this is accelerating downward with acceleration A1. So here, it doesn't mean this will also accelerate upward with acceleration A1. Here acceleration changes. Why changes? Because this pulley will also accelerate. Here none pulley was accelerating. Here this pulley is also accelerating. And suppose the acceleration of this pulley is AP. This AP. Now formula is for the pulley acceleration is AP is equals to A1 plus A2 by 2. A1 plus A2 by 2. Okay? And this all comes in vector. Now removing the vector, we will consider direction also. Now suppose this AP, this whole system is accelerating upward. Suppose this whole system is accelerating upward, which means the acceleration of this pulley is in upward direction. It means AP is in upward direction. So AP is in upward direction, it means we will take AP as positive. A1 is in downward direction, which means we will take A1 as negative. Okay. A2 is in upward direction, which means A2 is positive. So this comes. Basically the formula is AP is equal to A1 plus A2 by 2. Okay, and then you can remove the vectors by applying the direction of such accelerations. Okay. Now the question arises, what is the relation between A1, A2, A3? You get the acceleration of AP. Now the question is, what is the relation between the acceleration of A1, A2 and A3? Okay, suppose this is A3. And when this is moving upward, so this will move downward. Okay, with acceleration A3 or we can say minus of AP. Okay, so you can apply FBD over here and FBD over here and FBD also over here, or you can say a simple term that sigma of T dot A is 0. Sigma of T dot A is 0. Okay. Now remember this thing. Sigma of T dot A is 0. What I am trying to say that, see, sigma of T dot A is 0. What I am trying to say is that, see, here is T, tension T. So I will write T, this one T. I am talking about first this one. Then I will talk about this one and then this one. And then summation of these three will be 0. See, now I am taking T, okay, T, and the acceleration is in opposite direction to the T, which means T minus A1, okay, T minus A1 plus, I have written here summation, no? It means summation of this system plus summation of this system. Now, this tension T and this A2 is in same direction with T, it means I will write here A2, okay. And this now here the tension is 2T, so I will write here 2T, okay, 2T, and the A3 is in opposite direction to the 2T, which means I will write here minus of A3. and this whole becomes 0, and this whole becomes 0. So now minus, not taking t as common, minus of a1 plus a2 minus of a3 is equals to 0. So t cancels, it means minus of a1 plus a2 minus a3 equals to 0. So this is the relation between the a1, a2 and a3, and basically this is the shortcut to find the relation between the acceleration of this body and this body. Okay. Now consider this question. Okay. In this question, the question has been asked that you have to find the acceleration of this pulley and this pulley. Okay. And the question is that the masses are hanged as 2 kg, 5 kg, 2 kg and 5 kg, and the whole system is moving upward with the force of 400 Newton. Okay, force applied on the whole system is in upward direction, that is 400 Newton. Okay, now in such questions, what you have to do first is you have to distribute the tension in all the system. Okay, so here is tension T, so this will also become T. Why? Because the string used is same. See, when the string change, the tension will also change. Here is T, here is T. T and T becomes here 2T. It becomes 2T. Now this string and this string is same, so this will be also 2T. When this is 2T, this is 2T. Again string change, so this will become 4T. See, here is 4T and this is also same, so it will also become 4T. Okay, 4T. Now 4T will distribute among these two strings, that will be 2T and 2T. 2T and 2T. Now 4T and 4T will become here 8T. It will become 8T. It means 8T is equal to 400 Newton, which means T is equals to 400 by 8, which is means 50 Newton. The tension here is 50 Newton. The tension here is 50 Newton. Now the mass of this body is 5 kg, which means mg will also be equal to 50. Mg will also be 50 Newton. So the force in upward direction is 50 Newton due to tension, and the force due to mass in downward direction is 50 Newton. So is this body move upward direction? No, this will not move. It means acceleration in this body will be 0. Acceleration in this body will be 0. Okay. Now consider this one. Consider this one. Okay. Here T, tension is 50 Newton. Okay. Tension is 50 Newton. Now this mass mg will be 20 Newton in downward direction. So 50 in upward and 20 in downward. So what will be the acceleration for this? So the acceleration for this will be 50 minus 20 divided by mass 2. Okay, 50 minus 20 divided by mass 2. So this will become A is equals to 15 meter per second square. See, the acceleration for this body will be 15 meter per second square. So this is 15 meter per second square, and this is acceleration of this body is 0. So acceleration of this pulley will be, see, AP1. Suppose this pulley is P1. Okay, suppose this pulley is P1. So AP1 will be equal to what? A1 plus A2 divided by 2. A1 plus A2 divided by 2. So A1 is what? 15 meter per second. And in which direction? Upward direction. In upward direction. It means A will be treated as positive. So 15 plus A2 is 0. So 15 plus 0 divided by 2. So AP1 will become 7.5 meter per second square. So we have reached at the acceleration of the first pulley. Okay. Now consider this mass. Here the tension is what? 2T. 2T means 2 into 50. So the force in upward direction is 100 Newton. Okay. and the force in downward direction due to its mass is 50 Newton mg. 50 Newton. Okay. So the acceleration, it will accelerate in which direction? Upward direction, because the force in upward direction is higher than the lower direction. So the acceleration for this will be 100 minus 50 divided by its mass 5. So acceleration for this will become 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square in upward direction. Okay. Consider these things in upward direction. Okay. And the pulley and the acceleration of this pulley is 7.5 meter per second. It means, now suppose this pulley is AP2. So acceleration for AP2 is what? A1 plus A2 by 2. A1 is what? A1 is what? 10 meter per second square in upward direction. It means we will take as positive. So 10 plus acceleration for this one, for this body, for this pulley is what? 7.5 meter per second square. And this, and the answer we got for AP1 is positive. It means the AP1 or the acceleration of this pulley is in upward direction. Is in upward direction. So 10 plus 7.5 divided by 2 means 17.5 by 2. This is AP2. Okay. This is AP2, and we can also further divide it. That is 8.75 meter per second square. Okay. Now we also reached to the acceleration for this AP2. Now consider this AP3. AP3. Okay. Now come to this mass. This mass. So the the tension in the string in upward direction is what? 2T. 2T, which means 2 into 50, that is 100 Newton. So force in upward direction is 100 Newton, and force due to its mass in downward direction is what? 2G. 2G means 20 Newton. Okay. So the force in upward direction is higher. Okay. So the force in upward direction is higher. So this mass will accelerate in upward direction. This mass will accelerate in upward direction. So what will be the acceleration for this body? Acceleration for this body will be what? A is equals to what? 100 minus 20 divided by its mass. It means 100 minus 20 divided by 2. So we'll get 40 meter per second square. Acceleration for this body will be 40 meter per second square in upward direction. In upward direction. So now talk about this pulley. So AP3 will be equal to what? A1 plus A2 by 2. A1 plus A2 by 2. Now see, this string is fixed. This string is fixed over here. It means this part will not accelerate. It means acceleration over here is 0. Acceleration over here is 0. So AP3 is equals to 0 plus this part, and the acceleration of this part is what? 40 meter per second square in upward direction. So A plus 40 divided by 2, and the answer comes as 20 meter per second square. See, so the acceleration for AP3 is 20 meter per second square. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. अभी देखो ये वाला क्वेश्चन, ये वाला क्वेश्चन ये था कि this body is moving with acceleration A2 in downward direction, and this body is moving with acceleration A1 in upward direction, and the mass is 2 kg and 1 kg. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन ये था कि find the acceleration A1 and A2. Okay. So all you have to do is consider this equation. Sigma T dot A is 0. Sigma T dot A of the whole system is 0. इसका मतलब ये देखो कि पहले मैं इस बॉडी की बात करूंगा, फिर इस बॉडी की बात करूंगा, ठीक है, and then adding these two will be 0. See, so the tension in this string is T, okay, and the acceleration in this body is A2 in upward direction, in opposite direction to the T. So here I will write minus of A2, okay, plus. Now considering this, okay, the tension in this will be what? See, here is T, so this will also be T and this will also be T. Why? Because the string used in this system is same. So the tension in the all part will be same, T, T, T. So ye T or ye T. This will become 2T. Okay. This will become 2T. Okay. So now writing 2T over here. Dot. Okay. Dot A1. And A1 is in same direction as in O2. So here I will write simply A1 equal to 0. Now taking T common, which cancels, and which means A2 is equal to twice of A1. Here I will get A2 is equal to twice of A1. Okay. This is the result. Okay. Now drawing the FBD for this body. See, the mass is in downward direction, so mg is 2g. Okay, mg is 2g. Now FBD for this will be what? M of A2. M of A2. Or before that, consider a thing that suppose this body is accelerating downward with acceleration 2a. With acceleration 2a. Suppose ये नीचे जा रहा है with acceleration 2a. So this will accelerate upward with acceleration a. Why? See, this acceleration is half of this acceleration. See, a1 is half of a2. Okay. Now drawing FBD for this. Okay. See, here is 2 kg mass and here is tension T and here is 2g. Okay, and the acceleration is in upward direction, is in downward direction, that is ma. That is ma, which means m is what? 2 and acceleration is what? 2a. Acceleration is 2a, so 2.2a, which means 4a. So writing the equation for this is 4a equal to 2g minus t. Okay, 4a equal to 2g minus t. Okay. Now consider this one. Considering this one. Okay. Here is mg, which means m is 1 kg, so it becomes g. Okay. Now writing the equation for this is what? See, the acceleration is in upward direction. Okay. So m is what? 1 and acceleration is a. So I will write a is equal to g. Tension is in same direction to acceleration. So I will write first t over a, not t. Actually, it's 2t. Okay. It is 2t minus of what? A1. No. Minus of what? G. Sorry. Minus of g. Okay. So now you can multiply this equation by 2. Okay. You can multiply this equation by 2, and after solving, you will get as a is equals to g by 3. A equals to g by 3. Okay. It means the acceleration for this body A is g by 3 and it's moving upward, so it is plus of g by 3. Okay. And the acceleration for this body is twice of A, which means the answer for this will be twice of g by 3, and this is accelerating downward, so the direction will be as negative. So the acceleration will be minus of 2g by 3. Okay. So a short trick comes here that इसको अप्लाई करने की जगह, okay, you can also do a thing that, see, the tension in this body is T. Tension in this body is T, and the tension in this body is T. Okay. What you are observing, the tension gets double. The tension gets double, and the acceleration for this body gets half. Okay. Which means if you are talking about two bodies, okay, two bodies with masses m1 and m2, and the tension in this, suppose T, and the tension in this is nt. Okay, and the acceleration of this body is a, and the acceleration of this body is a1, and the acceleration of this body is a2. Okay, now you can see here the tension get n times. So the relation between a2 and a1 will be a2 will be a1 by n. Okay, same as the opposite to the tension. Okay, remember this thing. Then you are not required to apply all such things. Okay, you can directly solve by this. Okay, take an example over here. This question is saying that this body B is moving in right direction with 8 meter per second square. So you have to find the acceleration for this body A. The acceleration for this body A, and the body is moving, this body A is moving in upward direction. See, now all you have to do is distribute the tension in the whole system. Okay, so this is T. Okay, the string is same. So this is also T, this is also T, this is also T, this is also T. See, the string is same. So the tension is T. Now here T and T becomes what? 2T. Here T and T becomes what? 2T. You can add 2T plus 2T is what? 4T. T plus T plus T is 4T. Okay. Now you can see the tension over in this body is T, and the tension in this body is 4T. Relate this thing. So the acceleration of this body will be what? Acceleration of this divided by 4, which means 2 meter per second square. See, one step answer just by applying this. Okay. Now consider another question. This question is saying that this body is moving downward with some acceleration. Suppose a1. So this is moving. This will move in this direction with acceleration a2. Okay. See, so this will also move in this direction with acceleration a2. Okay, so now the question rises, the relation between a1 and a2, or to find the acceleration of a1 and a2. Okay, now what we have to do is again distribute the tension first. So here the tension is T. Now the string used is same. So this is also T, and this also becomes T. So this will become T and T, 2T. This becomes 2T. Okay. This becomes 2T. Now you can see the acceleration. Suppose the acceleration for this is a1 and the acceleration for this is a2. The tension in this is T and the tension in this is 2T. Okay. So now the A2 will be what? A1 by 2. Okay. The A2 will be what? A1 by 2, because here tension get doubles. So the acceleration will become half of this. So A2 will be A1 by 2. A2 will be A1 by 2. Okay. Now considering that this body will accelerate with acceleration 2a. So this will accelerate with acceleration a. This will accelerate with acceleration a. Now drawing FPT and writing the equation for this body. Okay. Writing the equation for this. So writing, we will get MA. MA will be what? 2 into 2, that is 4a, equal to 2g minus of t. Okay, 2g minus of t. And now FBD for this will be what? Here is no force in this direction, so 2t will be equal to a. 2t will be equal to a. Okay, so now multiplying this equation by 2. Okay, this will become, okay, I can write here 8a equal to 4g minus 2t and a equals to 2t. Now adding these two equations, 2t get cancels, So here is 9a equal to 4g. So a is equal to what? 4g by 9. A equals to 4g by 9. It means the acceleration for this body is 4g by 9. Okay, is 4g by 9. And the acceleration for this is what? Twice of a. So twice of a will be what? 8g by 9. And the body is accelerating in downward direction, so it will be minus of 8g by 9. Okay. Now coming to some next questions. Come to this question first. The question is saying that the mass suspended over here is mass m, and it has been pulled by the two forces and with velocities u and u. Okay, and we have given here in the question that this angle is theta and this angle is also theta. You have to find the velocity or the acceleration of this body. Okay, so how you are going to do this? Okay, see, first of all you have to do is distribute the tension first. See, distribute the tension first. Here is T, here is T. Okay, T. Now, see, here will also be T and here will also be T. Okay. Now, taking the component of this T over this line. Okay. So, it will be what? T cos theta. Okay. And now, taking the component of this T over this line is what? T cos theta. Okay, is T cos theta. Okay, now applying sigma T dot A is equal to 0. Sigma T dot A equal to 0. Okay, sigma T dot A equal to 0. See, the tension in this string will be in opposite to the u. Okay, that will be away from the point. I have written this just to show the tension in the string. But the direction will be this one, not this. Okay, the direction in this string is going to be in upward direction. Okay, because we are pulling it downward, so the tension will be upward. Okay, so now first considering this one. See, T and the U is in opposite direction of the T. So you will write T dot minus of U. Same over here, T dot minus of U. Okay, T dot minus of U. Okay, now plus. Wait, I will write over here. T dot minus of U plus T dot minus of U. Okay, plus. See, if I will talk about this tension, okay, then I have to take the component over this thing. Okay, so this is what? T cos theta. This is what? T cos theta. And suppose this mass is moving upward with velocity v. With velocity v. Okay, with velocity v. So you can see that both T cos theta and T cos theta is in the same direction as in the v. So we can write T cos theta dot v plus T cos theta dot v. Okay, is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Taking T common, that cancels. So what we have get is minus of u plus v cos theta plus v cos theta equals to 0. Equals to 0. So twice of u is equal to twice of v cos theta. So v is equal to uy cos theta. This is supposed to be the answer. This is the answer. So the velocity with which this mass will move upward is u by cos theta. Okay, and you can also do with a trick. See, the tension over here is what? Adding, by taking components, by adding these two is what? With this mass is what? 2t cos theta. 2t cos theta is what? 2t cos theta. Okay? 2t cos theta. So here you can see the tension is getting multiplied by which term? 2 cos theta. The tension is getting multiplied by which term? Is 2 cos theta. So the velocity will be what? Velocity will be divided by that term, u cos theta. You can also do this in the same way, or you can apply this. If you're not getting this trick, then you can apply this theorem. Okay. Now let's come to this question. This question says that there are two cars. Okay, there are two cars, and this car is moving with a velocity 4 meter per second. This car is moving with a velocity 4 meter per second. You have to find the velocity for this. What will be the velocity of this car? Okay, see this. Suppose this velocity will be v in this direction. Okay, so in this direction, and the angle given us is 37 degree. So taking the component of this, taking the component of v in this direction will be what? V cos theta, which means v cos 37. V cos 37, and cos 37 is what? 4 by 5, which means 4v by 5. Okay, so the velocity in this direction is 4v by 5. Okay, now what you have to do first is dividing the tension in all the system. Okay, here is T, here is T, and here is also what? T. But when we talk about this in this direction, see the rope gets bent. Okay, so here the tension also changes, that is TV cos 37, that is TV cos 37. Okay, or you can also simply apply that sigma dot A, that sigma T dot A equals to 0 theorem. Okay, so here you can see the T. Okay, this T is in opposite direction to the velocity, so T dot minus 4, T dot minus 4 plus T dot V cos 37, V cos 37, and the T and the velocity component are in same direction, so both are in positive, is equal to 0. Taking T common, it gets cancels, so we get V cos 37 is equal to 4, which means V is equal to 4 by cos 37, which means V is equal to 4 by 4 upon 5, that is 5 meter per second. So the velocity of this car in this direction will be 5 meter per second. Okay, now come to this question. Okay, this question says there are 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5, 6 pulleys and one body over here, or you can say one car, anything. Okay, and the question says that this whole system, or this pulley you can say, has been pushed in this direction with the force of 80 Newton. With the force of 80 Newton. Okay. Now, first thing which you all have to do is to distribute the tension in the whole body. See, here the tension will be what? T. Here the tension will be what? T. Is also become here T. Okay. T. And this is also T because the string is same. You can see the string is same. This is also T. See, this is T and this string is also same. So this is also T. So T and T becomes what? 2T. Okay. 2T. Okay. This is 2T and this string is also same. So this is also 2T. 2T and 2T becomes what? 4T. This is 4T. So this string is also same. So this is also becomes 4T. 4T and 4T becomes what here? 8t. So 8t is equal to 80 Newton, which means T is equals to 10 Newton. T is equals to what? You will get 10 Newton. Okay, 10 Newton. Now, you can draw the FBD of this. The question has been asked, find the acceleration for this car or find the velocity of this car. Okay. Now, you can suppose this car is moving in downward direction. Suppose this car is moving in downward direction. Okay. If the answer comes in negative, which means we have taken the wrong direction, the acceleration will be in upward direction. Okay. Now drawing the FBD, see, here it comes, mg. Okay. So this will be what? Mg sin theta. That means mg sin 30. That means mg by 2. That is mg by 2. Okay. And in question, we have to find the acceleration for this. Okay. So after drawing the FBD for this will be what? Then the FBD will be what? Right? The equation for this. Okay. MA equal to mg by 2 minus t, which means A equal to mg by 2 minus of t divided by m. Okay. And this question, the mass of this body is given as 10 kg. Okay. The mass of this body is given as 10 kg. So you can write the mass over here, that becomes 10 into 10 is what? 100 by 2, that is 50 minus 10 divided by 10, that becomes 40 by 10, that is 4 meter per second square, and this becomes positive, which means this body will move in downward direction with the acceleration of 4 meter per second square.